I've got 350 left. Yeah. Get it, man.
Mrs. Eduardo Falero on stage, please. And then we have Mr. Kamat. He's the head of the R&I office.
Just one.
Can we have him on stage as well, please?
Just
Mr.
1, 2.
Mr. Kamat, please.
Just 1, 2. Just.
And this person is no stranger to all of you, Mr. Keith Walls. Maria Walls as well, being led now by the President.
Oh, Lewis, are you coming up? No. Why not? Have you got on Salford already?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Yeah. That's why we're here. We're here.
Here present as part of the Global Goans Convention for 2011. Ladies and gentlemen, a big applause for all our dignitaries. Can I hear a big applause, please? Thank you very much. From the NRI office in Goa, and if you were a part of the convention which has happened, which was very successful for the last 2 days, I must have due credit to Mr. Eduardo Falero, the Honorable Commissioner of NRI Affairs, the Director of NRI Office, Mr. U.D. Kamath, the Indian High Commission, for being a part of this convention and making it a great success. I think so. This year they have shown us a lot of support for the Goan community at large. We had with us the First Secretary of the Indian High Commission and a lot of other delegates who were present as part of the convention. A lot of questions regarding the NRI office and NRI related questions were answered at that point. But if you still have some questions, we have the marquee on my right hand side to answer all your questions and meet them on a one-to-one basis.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, that was Ravi Weiss, our new Vice President of GOA. Give him a big round of applause as well, please, for taking off the position. Thank you. Finally, we're just going to make a very cool presentation
that we have every year is to bring Goans together to
to maintain in them the sense of identity. Identity is important for everybody. Every human being must have a sense of identity, of cultural identity that makes us better people. Whether they are Goan, whether they are British, whether they are of any other culture or any other nationality. So that's why we have this Global Goans Convention. We had it first in Goa, then we moved on to Portugal, where we have had Goans now for more than a century. One of the Goans there became Prime Minister. Who knows, sir? We may have a Prime Minister, Goan Prime Minister here in England. What do you say, sir? Yay! No? Well, but then we have this tradition there in Portugal. We moved from Portugal to Canada, from Canada to where lots and lots, increasing number of Goans go nowadays. That is the Gulf countries, that is Oman and Kuwait, and then we are here in London. It has been a great pleasure, sir, ladies and gentlemen. And I congratulate Mr. Flavio Gracious, who is the president of the Goa UK Association, that you overcame all the challenges along with his associates and produced a really wonderful Global Goans Convention. I have asked him to give us a report of this convention. I would like those who spoke to give the thing in writing. It makes things easier. One thing is, between speaking and listening, a lot of things gets lost. So therefore, if you give us in writing what you have said, we publish it in a book form, and then we see that it's circulated to all the concerned. Ladies and gentlemen, let me say once again, thank you to you, Mr. Gracious, you associates, to the Goa UK Association. Thank you, my friends. Goengar, Bando ani Boinando, Kimi Soglia I Vectain Alemunanga. Tunga Sogliang, Dio Guru, Namaskar, Dhanyavad.
Edward Falero, once again. And now we got another very, very famous speaker in the London for Honourable Keith Walsh.
Thank you very much, Mr. Edward Falero, Flavio Gracious, members of the committee, friends. It is a huge honour and privilege for me, Maria and Anjali to be here with you on this very special to you, Edward Falero. You are a true legend as far as the Goan community is concerned all over the world, and the terrific work that you do as the Commissioner for NRIs in Goa has been properly recognised in the way in which Goans all over the world adore it when you come and visit them and hope that you will come more often. You have done so much in order to remind us of the importance of the Goan identity. This convention is very important to me because actually the first time I ever saw my wife Maria was at a Goan convention. She was sitting in the audience, but now she's made it up onto the stage. And she was trying to entice me, when I met her in Goa, to visit the Sol Patel stall. But it succeeded. And we love to come to this convention wherever it is, and I want to pay tribute to Flavio Gracious and his marvellous team of volunteers who have made this into such a terrific festival. And just looking around, and we wandered around to look at all the stalls, people have come from all over the world to be here. There are even people from Leicester. Is there anyone here from Leicester? Wonderful, because I need a lift home, so that's very helpful. But they've really come from everywhere, and I think it shows how special we are as a community, that we can gather together and be able to celebrate our heritage. Because I think it is really important that our children understand there is more to Goa than the beaches and the sunshine. That it is a cultural identity. I have invited him, so he was given anyone with it coming, and I look forward, Maria, Anjali and I look forward to seeing you wherever this convention is next year. Thank you very much.
Edward Falero decided that he will allow us to hold the the Global Goans Convention in London under the patronage of the Indian High Commission. The one benefit I feel that Global Convention, a channel of communication with the Indian High Commission, and it's established a channel of communication with the Indian High Commission. And I've got
and I present to you once more, Lona!